It is less than 1 month until we leave for rehearsals, and it's time for me to get my together.
Hi, I'm Krista. On my channel, I mostly share my life as a performer working on cruise ships. I'm about 3 weeks from leaving for my next contract on Freedom of the Seas, and I have a lot to do before then.
This is why I can't get anything done, because I get distracted so easily. This is a Beetlejuice wig that I used in a costume like 2 years ago. Anyway, so yeah, 23 days left until we leave for this contract. My last contract on Enchantment of the Seas ended in January, and since then, yeah, I've just kind of fallen off of my health and wellness routines. I feel like on the ship I was doing really well. I was feeling really fit and healthy, and then I've just been enjoying vacation a lot. So time to get back into more of a routine. This last month before we leave, I just really want to feel super ready to go. Also, you might be wondering how any of that relates to what I'm doing here, and I will explain that to you.
So my boyfriend Robert and I do contracts together. He's a singer, and while we're away, we usually leave most of our stuff in duffel bags in my parents' crawl space. So every time we come back from a ship, we take out the duffel bags and basically rearrange our entire lives. Currently, all of my winter stuff is out, so I need to put that away, take out my spring and summer clothing, and then also set aside everything I want to pack for the contract. It's a bit of a process, but the goal today is to rearrange, go through my clothes, and kind of mock pack for the contract.
You know what is literally so crazy is I don't own any like home items. Like I started working on ships right out of college. So like out of college, I was like, well, I don't need any of this like furniture, pots, pans, whatever, because I'm gonna go work on a cruise ship. And I didn't really have much to begin with anyway. I know I've worked on cruise ships for so long that I've never really bought anything. And so when Robert and I eventually decide to stop doing ships and live in a house, we're gonna have to buy literally everything, and that's gonna be kind of terrible. I literally own like this water bottle, a spatula, literally like some mugs and stuff. I have a koala bear from Australia. I have a lot of mementos that I'll be able to decorate my house with. That is one thing that I do have. I don't know, our house is gonna be crazy. It's just gonna be a bunch of like random things we bought throughout the years, which is great, but no, seriously, it's gonna suck having to furnish a full house without a single thing to our names. It's gonna take a long time. Robert is on his way home from playing hockey, and my parents are on their way home from work, so I'm gonna go and start dinner and take a break from all of this organizing and packing, but definitely tomorrow I think I'll be pretty much done. Good morning. I am just getting ready to go to the gym. Robert and I, we got just like a month gym membership while we're here in Colorado. And we've been going pretty consistently, which has been good because before then we were doing, you know, like some home workouts and things like that, but we haven't been like super consistent with the gym since, I don't know, it's been a couple months since we've been consistent, to be honest. And I've been working out with Robert, which before now I really wasn't working out with him. I knew that, okay, this is just me being so lazy. I knew that he would make me work harder than I want to work in the gym. Like that's like so terrible. So it's been really good because he pushes me in like the best way possible and helps me lift heavier, and yeah, doing a lot of weight training, which has been good. I really wanted to get into that, and he's really knowledgeable about it. So he's been helping me a lot and pushing me in a good way. So you would think as a dancer I would have like health and wellness like pretty locked in, but I really kind of ebb and flow, to be honest. Like there are some months where I'm so consistent in the gym and I'm eating really well and not drinking a lot and stuff like that, and then there's other months where I'm doing the opposite. And I think that that's probably just life and like seasons of life and just what's going on. But this is definitely a time that I want to, you know, get back into the health and wellness routine. I think that you can find a balance with it, and I feel like for me I've been kind of one or the other for a long time. And so let's go to the gym and hope that Robert doesn't murder my legs today, because we're doing legs. So let's go.
Just realized I have stuff all over my pants. Whatever.
Okay, so I'm just getting home from a little game night with some friends. It's always nice to see friends whenever I'm back home. I feel like when you're gone for so long, you kind of not lose friends, but it's really easy to like lose touch with people after you've been gone for a certain amount of time. And so it's just nice to, you know, have those solid friends who every time I come home, I know that like nothing has changed and we can see each other and hang out and everything will be like it was. And now I'm just gonna wash my face and kind of get ready for bed. It's only 10:20. It's an early night, which I'm okay with. Last night, we did happy hour with some of my friends and the plan was just happy hour, like a little drink and then see you later. But then we decided to go to the Putt Shack, which is like a mini golf, like an indoor mini golf thing, and it was super cool. But the night got away from us and we did a little drinking, we took a shot or two, and it was so much fun, but I just like didn't expect the night to go that way. So today was a little bit rough. I'm just kind of ready for bed at 10:30 on a Saturday, so.
Currently reading The Woman by Kristen Hanna. It's about the woman who served in Vietnam, specifically about a woman who was a nurse in Vietnam, and it's super good. I am 86% of the way done, and normally I'm more of like a thriller suspense kind of person, but her books are usually like historical fiction and they're so good. I never really read romance. I've probably read like 3 romance novels in my life. I just like can't get into romance novels. I don't know, I just don't really like them. But I'll link my my Amazon storefront and I have like all of my favorite books linked down in there. Gonna read for a little while and probably pass out.
Good morning. Happy Monday. It's Monday. I feel like I have a lot to do today. I was doing my to-do list last night and it's pretty long. Just got a lot of like random things that I need to get done. I wanted to start the day with some journaling because also I feel like my voice is like really deep right now. Like I really did just wake up. I wanted to start with some journaling. I feel like I go through phases of being really good at it and like doing it every single day and then other phases where I go like months without doing it. So I'm trying to get back into it a little bit more. So I wanted to just start with some journaling and then get into my to-do list. So let's do it. Okay, this journaling session wasn't as like fulfilling as I thought maybe it would be. I feel like it kind of just turned into like my to-do list again. I feel like I have a lot on my mind, so I was just kind of writing down all the things that I need to get done today. So we'll try again tomorrow. Well, now I need to do some computer work for the contract. Since this is my 5th contract, which is kind of insane to say, I feel like I'm pretty well versed in all the things that I need to get done before I leave. I'm, you know, pretty aware of everything, but a few weeks ago I had to fill out basically all of the paperwork and upload it to the portal. So Royal Caribbean has this really cool, it's really not that cool, but they just have this portal where you can upload all the documents that they send to you, sign them, and then you can see here if they've been approved or pending or declined for any reason. I just wanted to double check that I had uploaded everything, and then normally I would have to get another medical. So the medical exams usually last for 2 years, and I just got one obviously right before my last contract, which was last January. And this contract ends next January. So it'll be like exactly 2 years. And so I'm so glad that it's like valid through the whole time because first of all, it's pretty expensive. It's actually really expensive. And also just the whole medical in general is kind of a process. It honestly takes like a full day. In the morning, you usually have to fast and then go get blood work done. And then you usually have to go to a different facility for the actual medical. And that's basically just a full-on physical, so it's really not that bad, but you know, it can just take a lot of time. And then it's just kind of a process to get the results back. And so I'm glad I don't have to do it again. I'll definitely have to do it next year if I do another contract. So happy about that. And then I just got a new passport before my last contract. So I'm good for like 10 years, I think, right? Passports last a really long time. So everything's uploaded. And now I'm going to do a little bit of research. Robert and I are doing a road trip from Denver to Arizona toward the end of the month. I need to kind of plan the itinerary that we're going to be doing, and then also where we're going to stay, what we're going to do on the way there, and a couple other things. So that is what I'm going to do next. Okay, we just got back from the grocery store. We're going to make garlic honey chicken and rice for dinner, I think. It's a half-baked harvest recipe. I can't remember what it's called. So we just ran to the store and got all the stuff for that. And now I need to put some laundry in. I'm gonna wash our sheets and just some of our regular laundry. I need to wash my makeup brushes, and then I'm gonna start dinner here in a few minutes.
We're gonna watch the Avs game.
Gonna watch the Avs game tonight. Oh, and we also just went to the gym. I kind of forgot that we did that. So yeah, we've been productive today. Gym, I was gonna say gym tan laundry, but just gym grocery laundry.
That's the agenda. All of this.
Okay, I'm feeling pretty good with everything that I've gotten done today. Before I end this video, I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about my YouTube channel and kind of what you guys want to see from me. I feel like, I don't know, my channel is growing, but part of me kind of feels like I'm in like a flop era because I'm just not entirely sure what to create, and that might just be because I've been away from a contract for a while, and so in between contracts, it's just, I never exactly know what people want to see, and I feel like the stuff that I've been making is maybe not what you guys want to see. So I kind of want to get back into vlog style videos, and I feel like vlogs are kind of what you guys like the most. Let me know if that's true or not, but I just kind of want to find my groove of what kind of videos I like to create, but also what you guys want to see. And so I'm always open to suggestions. So if you guys have any video ideas, let me know what you want to see. I will happily make those videos for you. But I think right now my idea is to kind of just take you along for how I'm prepping for this contract, packing, rehearsals, everything, just taking you guys along and showing you the behind the scenes of all of it, and kind of keeping with that vlog style. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I can't wait to keep making videos and to take you guys along for this next adventure. I'm so excited for it. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!